Hello everyone, my name is Indir. I'm from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and I'm here to tell you all about how to be a volunteer in major sport events like Olympic and Paralympic and FIFA World Cup. By the way, if you wanted to apply to be a volunteer at Qatar 2022 FIFA World Cup, you can go to those websites. And for Paris 2024, you can go to this one. For Paris 2024, the application will be open by February 2023, so you're gonna need to hold on that a little bit longer. On my videos, I will also talk about how I became a volunteer when my city, Rio de Janeiro, hosted the Summer Olympic and Paralympic Games in 2016. And since then, I've been completely involved in many sport events all over the world. Seriously, all over the world. In the past 5 years, I have been participating in over 30 events, 25 of those international, 18 countries in 4 different continents. Most of the events, major sport events, most of my participation as a volunteer. As you see, I have a lot of experience and a lot of information to share. And I want to start from the beginning, the volunteer selection process. The selection process starts when you fill it up the application form online. Then you take the English test, and you're gonna be invited for the interview. If you succeed on that, you're gonna receive your invitation letter with your functional area, your role, and your venue, the place that you're gonna be working. After that, you receive your shift with dates and hours that you're gonna be working. Between those two, you have to take the online training, and if you're a local volunteer, the presential training. There are a lot of difference between local volunteer and international volunteer. If you're local volunteer, for example, you have the opportunity to participate on the test events. The test events, they start to happen 1 year prior to the games. If you have the opportunity to participate on those, by the time of the games, you can actually be hired to work as a paid staff on the event. So this is actually a great opportunity to start a career. I know a lot of people that actually did that. So, during games times, there are some crucial information you need to know. What's functional areas, what are the venues, the clients, and accreditation. I'm gonna explain in details all those informations for you. But for now, functional areas are the areas that are gonna be working. So it's like transport, arrivals and departures, hospitality, media, those are examples of functional areas. Venues are the places that are gonna be working, like stadiums, arenas, airport, hotels, those are the venues. Clients, it's gonna be like athletes, VIPs, workforce, media, those are the people that you're gonna be working for. And accreditation, I'm gonna teach you how to read the accreditation, what allows to do with the accreditation, where you can go, where you cannot go, who can get access to where you're gonna be working. So it's pretty important to understand the accreditation. Those are the 4 main things I think is important for you to understand about games time, okay? Also, what you get and what you don't get as a volunteer. So you get uniform, meals, transportation, and what you don't get, accommodation, airplane tickets. So I'm gonna talk in details about that during my videos. Another subject I wanna talk about are the volunteer programs in Europe, in Latin America, in Canada. Another thing is career. I really want to talk about career in sport event industry. I actually want to invite some of my colleagues that start as a volunteer and now they have a beautiful and successful career in the event industry, and they want to give their testimony and tell their story here in my channel. And about the cost, how much costs to be a volunteer in a major sport event like Qatar 2022 and Paris 2024, so I will talk about costs also. There are many other subjects I want to talk about, and I also want to get suggestions from you, and any doubts you have that you can give to me for me to talk in my channel will be a pleasure to hear. And so write down in the comments, and I will approach on my following videos. And the next video, I will talk in details about the application form for Qatar 2022 FIFA World Cup. So that's it for today, and I hope I see you next video. See you!